Welcome to our series on philosophers. Today we explore the intriguing ideas of Melissus of Samos, a pre-Socratic philosopher known for his thoughts on unity and permanence. Living in the 5th century BCE, Melissus defended the principles of the Eleatic school and challenged the perceptions of his time. His philosophy posited that reality is unchanging, eternal, and indivisible, urging us to recognize an underlying unity beyond the fragmented world we perceive. Join us as we delve into his profound contributions and their enduring relevance in today's world. In the realm of pre-Socratic philosophy, Melissus of Samos stands out for his profound insights into the nature of reality. At the core of his thought is the idea that reality is a unified entity, defying the diversity and multiplicity perceived by our senses. By positing that what truly exists is singular and indivisible, Melissus challenged the conventional view of a fragmented world. This philosophy asks us to look beyond superficial differences and recognize an underlying unity that binds everything together. Such a perspective not only deepens our understanding of existence, but also offers a framework for reflecting on our shared human experience. The notion of unity and indivisibility remains a powerful and transformative idea, urging us to transcend sensory perceptions and grasp the interconnectedness of all that is. In doing so, Melissus invites us to rethink our approach to life's complexities, acknowledging a profound oneness that persists despite apparent diversity. Melissus argued that true existence is eternal and unchanging. According to his philosophy, the changing world we perceive with our senses is an illusion. In reality, what truly exists must be timeless and constant. This idea of permanence challenges us to rethink our understanding of existence. Melissus believed that any form of change denotes non-existence in its truest sense. By this reasoning, a fundamentally real entity cannot alter. It remains perpetually the same. This notion of immutability encourages us to look at the enduring principles of life, those that remain steadfast despite the flux of daily experiences. For Melissus, this philosophy meant that ultimate truths and values are unchangeable. They exist beyond the realm of temporary shifts and transformations that we encounter. His teachings invite us to seek out and hold on to these eternal principles, as they form the core of what is genuinely real in the cosmos. Melissus believed that anything subject to change does not exist in the most total sense. To him, true reality had to be immutable. This concept was crucial in his thought, stressing the importance of the unchanging aspects of existence. In our daily lives, we often perceive change as a constant. Yet Melissus urged us to look deeper, to find the enduring elements that stay the same despite all upheaval. This perspective not only challenges our sensory experiences, but also invites us to reflect on what truly remains constant. It's a reminder to value the aspects of our lives and our values that persist regardless of external changes. By recognizing these immutable elements, we can find a sense of stability and continuity that helps guide us through life's uncertainties. This emphasis on the unchanging can provide a lens through which to appreciate the fundamental aspects of human existence that are timeless and eternal. Melissus's ideas on unity and permanence extend far beyond ancient Greece, offering valuable insights into contemporary life. At their core, these concepts challenge us to recognize an underlying unity amid our world's apparent divisions. In a time of widespread cultural, political, and social fragmentation, his philosophy encourages a sense of shared humanity. By looking past our superficial differences, we can find common ground rooted in the essence of human experience. Moreover, Melissus's principle of immutability speaks to the timeless nature of values like justice, compassion, and truth. These enduring values persist, irrespective of changing societal norms and personal circumstances. Today, his thoughts resonate deeply with those seeking to navigate the complexities of modern life. Melissus's teachings remind us that there are constants we can rely on, even as everything around us changes. By embracing these eternal truths, we foster a sense of unity and shared purpose. As we engage with the world, let Melissus's wisdom guide us in upholding these fundamental values, ensuring that we contribute to a more cohesive and enduring society. Melissus's ideas are echoed in the works of philosophers like Immanuel Kant, Martin Heidegger, and Alfred Whitehead. Kant's concept of the noumenal world parallels Melissus's views on an unchanging reality beyond sensory perception. Heidegger's exploration of being, particularly through his being in the world concept, also aligns with Melissus's emphasis on the fundamental nature of existence. Even Whitehead, who focuses on process and change, acknowledges a fundamental order and permanence, resonating with Melissus's balance of the immutable and the mutable. These connections underscore the timeless relevance of Melissus's thought, bridging ancient philosophy with modern insights on reality and existence. In conclusion, Melissus of Samos's philosophy challenges our sensory perception of reality, advocating for an underlying unity and eternal truths. He argued that what truly exists must be unchanging and indivisible, dismissing change as an illusion. These principles remain relevant today, offering insights into our shared humanity and enduring values like justice and truth. By recognizing an underlying unity amidst apparent diversity, Melissus's ideas encourage us to look beyond superficial differences. His timeless wisdom provides a stable foundation for understanding the immutable aspects of our existence, guiding us through the ever-changing circumstances of modern life. Indeed, the teachings of Melissus remind us that beneath the chaotic surface of our daily lives lie eternal truths that bind humanity together.